Hey guys, so what I have here in my quad is the new Caddx Dolphin, and if you've already seen some reviews about this, you might know that this is a cheap GoPro style camera that does pretty shitty video by day, but has really good kind of low light night vision capabilities. The only thing I was wondering about is what the hell are we supposed to do with that in FPV, because we usually don't fly at night. So what I will try is just to see how the footage looks if I'm flying here in a really low light, semi dark environment. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but it's already pretty dark outside. And I will just try this. The FPV camera I have is a Runcam Micro Eagle, and this has really good low light capabilities, so I hope I will be able to fly and then see anything, and then we'll check out how the footage looks from this Caddx Dolphin.